Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 96, finding 1/2 of a set with even number objects. So let's say I take my paper and I fold it in half. So each side is 1/2 of my paper. So I can write like this or like this, 1/2. And each half is the same size. When I divide something in half, both parts must be the same. So here I have 12 pennies. And I want to share these pennies with my brother, so we each have half of the pennies. To do that, I'm going to move the pennies into each side and I'm going to do one at a time. So there'd be one for me and one for my brother. One for me, one for my brother, 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 one for me, and one for my brother. So you can see we both have the same amount. So how many pennies did I get? Well, I got 6 pennies. How many pennies did my brother get? He got 6. So half of 12 equals 6. And I know that because 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, so here I have 10 pennies, and I want to share these pennies with a friend. So I'm going to put half the pennies on either side of my paper. And I'm just going to draw the picture to help save time. So I give one to me and one to my friend. One to me and one to my friend. One to me and one to my friend, one to me, one to my friend, one for me, and one for my friend. So as you can see, each of us gets 5 pennies. So 1/2 of 10 equals 5, because 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, what if I have 14 pennies? So I need to give some to each of us. This time I'm going to count by 2s. I'm going to give 2 pennies to me and 2 pennies to my friend, just to go faster. 2 for me, 2 for my friend, 2 for me, 2 for my friend. Now I only have 2 pennies left, so I'm going to give 1 to me and 1 to my friend. So as you can see, both of us get 7 pennies. And we know this is fair because both sides are the same. So we would say that 7 doubled is 14, or 1/2 of 14 equals 7. Okay. So let's try without the pennies. So here I have 8 pennies, and I want to give my friend half, and I want to keep half. So I'm going to use a circle to show each penny. So we have 1 for me, 1 for my friend, 1 for me, 1 for my friend, 1 for me, 1 for my friend, 1 for me, and 1 for my friend. So now I have a total of 8 pennies, and each of us gets 4. So 1/2 of 8 equals 4. Okay. All right. So that is how we find half of an even set of numbers. And that's it for this lesson. So good luck on your homework.